Tribal Youth Council Manipur Tycm has issued a stern warning to the state government for widespread protests from December 13 if relevant authorities fail to address critical resource shortages at tribal offices. In a press meet held at Thangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club today, Tycm General Secretary Robert Golmai emphasized the urgent need for the government to allocate adequate resources and fill up required manpower for the Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hills, the Tribal Research Institute and the Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes, among others, which are currently facing severe shortages. Robert Golmai pointed out that the council had submitted an ultimatum which included 10 charters of demands to the Chief Minister on October 7 and again on November 6. Despite a deadline of November 29, the government is yet to respond. In response, the council convened a meeting on November 13 where it resolved to begin agitations from December 13. Golmai further warned to intensify protest if the government continued to ignore the issue.
Tribal Youth Council Manipur sina ngasi ekhoina kanna paliba sarkar da yaning nebsidi atopa department de communal class hek hobadagi ethnic class hobadagi recruitment se adum sathe adubo ekhoi gi charter of demand se ekhoi honorable CM da tobse ekhoi gi karim ta tabidre paliba sarkar BJP gi sarkar sina di sing amadi tam amase amatani haina equal development chap manana chapkhatmina si haina mukhoi slogan ni moi gi yamna laulai adubo Tauriba, Tawong City, Equi, Suya Yaningre, Equi, TD Department, Kiam Lebra, Equi, Assist Charter of Demand, Lord Mayao from me, Tribal Research Institute, say, Hausipa Hang to Hangre, Aduna Equi, ultimatum say November 29 for PB from me. Executive Matungina, Equi, December 13, democratic form of agitation, Amoena, Darna say, agitation, the Pamba Horani, sit in protest Horani, Adumatunga, Sarkana, Tabita Badaradi, Matanga, Darkale, Equina, Lokapayaba, Kungjang say, localini.